Do you know there are new features in creating WhatsApp poll? This WhatsApp poll update is the fastest way to get real data from your customers or audience. I'll be using my WhatsApp for Business app for this demonstration. The first of those new poll feature is multiple answer toggle. Let me show you. I will use this my WhatsApp group for demonstration, ASKJOFA. I will open it. You can see I already created and made 2 polls. The first one, this one, and the second one, this one. Now, to create a poll in WhatsApp group, you tap here. You see poll. For you to create your poll, this is where you put the question, and these are where you put in the first option, the second option, and you can create more of this. This feature allows your audience to select one or multiple answers. If you want your audience to give you multiple answers, you leave this toggle active. But if you want only one option from them, you disable it. Let me show you how it works. Coming back to this poll that I already created, this is the question and these are the options. If any of my audience or myself decide to select double option, it's not possible. I can only choose one. Look at it. So with this one, it was because I disable that toggle and restrict the group to only choose one option. If you look at the second poll, you can select multiple options. This is the question and these are the options. If I select this, I can also select this. I can also select this. That was because I choose and activated multiple answers. If you come back, you select poll. So when you activate or you disable this, we allow you to control how users answer your polls. The second new poll feature in WhatsApp is photo poll. You can now do polls using images of products or services, and you can only do that in WhatsApp channel. To get your WhatsApp channel, you tap update. So I tap my channel, ASKJOFA WhatsApp channel. In this WhatsApp channel, to create a poll, you tap here. You can see poll. You tap poll. This is where you insert the question, and this is where you select the photos. You can use text or photo. To use photo, you tap here. Let's select this one. We select this one, accept it. Inside here, you can type option 1. Here you type option 2. Then you come here to browse. You select this one. You accept it. Which of the 2 do you like? And you have up to 12 options. So this is a new feature. You can activate or disable this since we are asking them to choose one. So we disable this. We send this to the channel. Sent. You can see which of the 2 do you like. You can only select one. If I try to select this, it's not possible. So this image poll is a new poll feature in WhatsApp. The third new poll feature in WhatsApp is the poll search filter. That is, if you want to search for polls in your WhatsApp chat, all you just need to do is to come here, you tap here, you can see instead of typing polls, you just pick poll. This is new feature. It's not available before. You just tap poll and it's going to list all the chats that has poll that you need to attend to. This search filter is a new poll feature in WhatsApp. The last new poll feature in WhatsApp is poll expiration setting. If you tap this group, ASKJOFA YouTube group, if you are setting poll, you tap here, you tap poll. After you must have filled in the question and the options. The new feature is going to be around somewhere here. You are going to see a setting that is going to indicate when this poll will end, and you'll be able to select the time the poll will expire. This is a new feature that is being introduced gradually to users across regions and countries. It's yet to be in my region. If you are watching me now, maybe it's in your region. You can even use these new poll features to vote, and creator can easily set the poll expiration time and date and the end of voting. So these are 4 new poll features that you can start using right now. You can now use these new features to make and create your WhatsApp poll. Don't forget to check out my WhatsApp Business Mastery course. It's going to help you to promote your products and services with ease using WhatsApp for Business app. You see the link below the description of this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, drop your comment. I promise to get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.